channel. It's me, Annabelle here, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys. It's going to be how to make your Spotify playlist / account look aesthetic. So let's get into it. So firstly, here is my Spotify playlists and account, and these are all my playlists which I've edited to make them look really cute and like have a little bit of their own aesthetic to them. So on the left here you can see all the playlists, and I'm super happy with how these turned out. So if you want something like this, just keep watching. So let's start with this one. This is the playlist I listen to all the time, and basically what I did is I just clicked on the choose photo and I saved photos from Pinterest, and I think what I searched up was Italian aesthetic summer, and I got these really cool pictures that I could use for my playlist profile, and I just did that to all my other playlists over here. And then for the font here, I made them my own with a fonts app on my iPhone. I don't think you can do fonts on a computer. I'm not sure. You could test it if you want to, but what I had to do is make the playlist my own. You can't have a collaborative playlist to edit your title of your playlist. And then I just changed the name using the fonts app on my iPhone, and I got these really sick results. And then I click save. And then that happened to all of these, which you guys can see. And I just named them whatever I want. Some of them are in Spanish because I just felt that was the vibe was going on. And yeah, that's all my playlists, and it kind of took me a little while, but I'm really happy with it just because it looks really pretty and I use them all the time. Okay, so now onto my profile. So this one is the exact same thing, except this is a different variation of font for you guys, which is not using the fonts app and just normal typing with spacing between the letters. And then for my profile, it's just a Pinterest picture again. And with the Pinterest pictures for the profile, you can just download them from Pinterest onto your downloads thing in your computer, and it works totally fine. And yeah, this is my library of aesthetic playlists, and I really hope you guys like watching this, and please give it a go. Bye guys.